Good morning, guys. Today is the 12th, I think, and it's about just after 11, actually. I'm surprised it's so close to lunchtime. Today we're going to get a few things out of the way. Probably the last few things that we need to get done before we move on to the meat of this project. And so yeah, here we are looking at the shifter assembly. We're going to go ahead and get the shifter out of here. I'll show y'all a clip trick that appears to be needed. Just like the other side of these two lines that go out to the transmission. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to move this little piece of wire, I guess, out of the way. Actually, I think we'll need to start with a T25. And I do have my ratchet ready. And that's probably not a 12. It is a 12, actually. Yep, it's a 12. Just need my T25, wherever I put that. And my tool bag is all upside down because one thing I needed was all the way at the bottom. Got all the way flipped. All right, so guys, we're gonna go ahead and start out. Now I'm gonna try to keep you all stable as possible. I mean, that's the dashboard being crumpled more. So I'm gonna go ahead and angle you guys this way to get a better look over here. I'm gonna go ahead and pick that, actually. Pick it with a smaller one to get some crud out. Nasty. So we're going to grab a T25 and undo this T25 right here. This is for the computer that goes up to, I'm pretty sure it goes up to the OBD2 over here in the middle console. So we're going to go ahead and throw that aside. Take this wiring and just fold it over. Don't need to do anything else other than fold it over. Push it somewhere out of the way. And this orange thing is totally fine. We're going to leave that there. And it looks like I'm going to be making a minimum of 20 cents off this. So, I mean, not quite minimum wage, but we'll get it. So we're going to go ahead and call that good. And now we're going to scoot you guys back over just a little bit. And so now, I don't think I'm going to need that again, but I guess I'll just keep it to the side. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start in the back. We got a 12 here. I am using the screen, so 112 there, 112 there, and then 112 there, 112 there. So if we can cram this out of the way somewhere. Get out of my way. This is a very interesting shifter. Like, to be honest, I've never seen another manual shifter assembly. So, but this is really, really interesting. Of course, it's hydraulic actuated. Or wait, no, it's inside the transmission. I meant the clutch. What's interesting? I'll show you guys that in a moment, because that is going to be the next thing: the clutch and brake assembly. Get this one over here. This one over here. Oh yeah, 20 cents. Wow, I'm banking it today. All right, there's one, two done. And 4. I'm not, well, yeah, I might actually be disassembling that cable after all, that clip trick. And then we're gonna go ahead and, oh, my legs are gotten folded out underneath me, and it's kind of tiring, but okay, 1, 2. Should I save these? Is this normal on the automatic? Don't know. Just in case, I'll keep it, but I imagine that the automatic is just, you know, strapped in the same, just, you know, obviously a different design for the automatic. I'm going to go ahead and keep those just in case, because I don't want to have to go buy new bolts, you know. So, all right, there we go. Now, I don't, no, I guess that's not part of it. Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. You got to use, oh gosh, let's look a little closer. That is a 12, actually. Oh, there's more than one point on that, too. All right, guys, so, and that would be required, I'm pretty sure. Yep. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this next thing. If I can manage to back you guys up a little bit. It'll be a little unstable just for a moment. All the way up. Hang on, guys. I'm going to actually pause it so you guys don't have to deal with it. All right. So, whenever you guys have taken this middle console off and seen the OBD2 connectors there, you've seen this bridge right here, this little H beam. And down here, there's one 12 millimeter here and one 12 millimeter here, and they're matching on both sides, so that's what you're going to undo. And I'm going to go ahead and get that done while I pause you guys and put you guys back, or yeah, put you guys back for now. Alright guys, I actually just forgot that I shouldn't have set you guys up here just yet. Actually no, that's fine. We'll go ahead and work our way back to the right. For now, we're going to focus over here on the gas pedal, right there. And we're going to go ahead and move this out of the way for the camera. And I just found something that's very interesting, and I will show you guys in just a little bit. Now we're going to go ahead and try to scoot this out of the way somewhere. I don't know where to put it. Like, just loop it somewhere, or maybe push it off the side. Oh, this thing too, I guess. Just a moment, guys. So as you'll see by the gas pedal, there are, behind the gas pedal, I mean, there are the two lines that make their way the two lines that make their way to the shifter, out to the transmission, and that's where the cables go. And of course, on both sides there is a 10 millimeter, there's one there, and there's one up here. I don't know if that makes it any easier, but it is right here behind the gas pedals. Easy to use as long as you use an extension. I gotta get another extension. Gotta get extensions. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those two 10s. So now that I've got the two 10s out, by the way, one of them got really, really warm because the rust, I'm sure you can see the red, the brown rust on it. So, and I'm pretty sure this is universal for both the automatic, I'm so sorry, for both the automatic and manual, because pretty sure those studs are on the car. But I hope my big head's not in the way. Let's go ahead and pop it out if we can without blocking your view. All right, there we go. Uh-oh, did I break something? No. Did I No, I did not. Nope. I worry a lot. Oh, hey, that's cool. Cool. Okay, so that's the plastic's the first bracket. The metal thing is the second one. And yes, those are... Oh, no, that's rubber. And then, yeah, the studs are in the frame. And now I can go ahead and swivel you guys over here, over this way. Actually, I'll pause it so you guys don't have to endure the shaking. So, I'm going to just pull this up. I don't know if I should do that. Okay, so when I first picked this up, actually, as you can see, I actually already separated it. But yes, so this is just a bracket for that. And I'm pretty sure it's universal because this is also the thing that goes on the automatic. So it is universal and I don't need those bolts. However, I suppose if the new Volvo has, strip bolts or whatever, be good to have some matching ones on hand. So yeah, it's gonna pretty much sit in there. Hang on, guys. Yeah, so it's gonna pretty much sit in there, and you're just gonna take it like this, and I think just take it like this and lift up, and it will just separate. Like you see those holes there on each side. And then I think all you do is pick it up, go diagonally, and pull. And probably carefully. You probably want to be careful when you do this. So, let's go ahead and not get my big head in the way. And maybe that'll fit. That looks kind of complicated. Okay, yep, so we're going to bring the plastic. Okay, now the stuff on the outside, the engine bay, will try to get in the way. And I'm going to attempt to pull one through at a time. Should be fine because it's not like a stiff cable. It's just a somewhat stiff cable. So I'm actually gonna... So yeah, we got the plastic, and then of course we got the rubber one over here. We'll pull that in a moment, but in the meantime, I'll go ahead and move you guys again to show you. And so yeah, we got the hole here in the firewall. We're gonna pull one at a time. Something like that. This is not gonna be easy, I don't think. We're gonna pull the right one and try to guide it around whatever thing is catching on it. We're gonna pull it through carefully. And then the other one, now the other side has to have that bracket taken off. So I'm gonna pause you guys and try to get you guys set up out there just real quick. All right, so it does appear that no matter what happens, you must remove the bracket that holds both of those cables. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that other clip, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate one more time just in case you don't wanna deal with going back over to my other video. So I'm gonna try to leverage this. I'm gonna put this on this side and grab the cable at the same time. I don't know if that's gonna work, or lodge it in this little, I don't know if that's gonna help, and just push up. Oh man, it's shifting in there. Shifting, pun not intended. And then try, or maybe pry up on this part of it to separate the bottom of the clip. That way you can get a good hold underneath, because doing it, I got it, almost got it. Oh, I hope I don't hit my hand. Dadgummit, I did, but very little damage. I'm gonna try it again. Probably hit myself again. I need a thinner, like probably my electronics pry tool, Man, I'm gonna stab my hand if I keep going. It's doing something. I'm trying to pry it away before I push it. I mean, I kind of did that. It's becoming easy. Ah, there we go. That's what I was talking about. Let's actually just try to pry up. Let's use your finger right here. Can you guys see this? I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. As you can see, I have pried it up somewhat already. But I'm going to go ahead and use that to push up. Push up, if possible. Or, like, if I could, leverage this somehow to push this up. I did it before. Okay. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys. So, I am back on this. Let me move you guys a little bit. I'm trying to figure out a way that it's not going to hit the exhaust manifold. Just a moment. Great. Okay. Hang on. So, this goofball had to go back onto my short on YouTube to watch what I did before. And yeah, I should have done this one while I did that other one, the one that I demonstrated over here. So yeah, I used my crowbar evenly on both sides together. However, to get this one out. However, this one is frozen. Like this right here, this one is literally frozen. Frozen, guys. Like this one's fine. There's a bee, I think. And it does seem that bees like sweat. And I sweat a crap ton, so yeah. Yep. It is fused, I think. If I had something to, tap this. There we go. It's working, actually. I feel it, I think. Yeah. There we go. Nice. But yeah, okay, so that's working. Oh yeah, that's working for sure. But now I might have to get my crowbar to pry it. So I'll be right back, guys. So this will take a few minutes. Pretty much all you do, unstick that clip before you take it off the transmission, like I did with the other one. Shove that through the back like I showed with that one, and then just pull it through like I showed the other one just now, and just lift that shifter up diagonally and out. So that'll do it for this one. I'm sorry for it taking longer and not as good of a demonstration. So I'll see you all in the next one. We should be working on the clutch and brake assembly. The booster, the brake booster with the clutch attached. So see you all in the next one.